Hello everyone, welcome to chapter 5 of Sai in My Thoughts. Baijabai is swiping her forehead time and again. Sweat is rolling down her face. She is tired of walking under the hot sun. She is carrying a basket containing food. She is changing the basket from hand to hand when she felt that it is heavy while walking. Though she is physically tired, her eyes are mirroring her happiness. She is excited to meet Sai and serve him the food. Baijabai is the wife of Appa Kote Patil of the village Shirdi. After meeting Sai in Shirdi, she felt that Sai is her son gifted by God. She increased her pace. Where are you, my son? How can I find you? She thought to herself. Every afternoon, she walked miles after miles in the woods to find Sai and offer him food. As Sai is meditating at different places as per his wish on each day, it is difficult for Baijabai to find him in the woods. But she was never dejected. She did her service sincerely with great devotion. Finally, she found Sai meditating under a tree. Baijabai sat near him. She opened the pot and offered the food to Sai. Sai, have this food. You must be hungry. Sai is calm and motionless, but she patiently kept requesting him to take the food. Sai slowly opened his eyes and smiled at her. Mother, why are you taking so much trouble over me and come all this way to serve me food? Because you are not staying with us. What should I do? If I don't come and offer food, you won't eat anything at all. She arranged the food in a plate and kept it in front of him. Please have it, Sai. She insisted Sai to eat the food. Sai started eating rotis. Meanwhile, a dog came and sat near them, its tail swishing. Sai smiled and gave a roti to the dog. Arey, I came all the way to give you food, but you are giving that food to dog. What is this, Sai? Baijabai asked him in a loud voice. Don't worry, mother. If this dog eats the food, my stomach will be filled. Each grain that fills the stomach of my loved ones fills my stomach. So, you don't have to worry. She is convinced by the soothing words of Sai. There is no fraction of doubt in her mind that Sai is an ordinary human being. Some people of the village may think that Sai is a saint or fakir, but Baijabai and her son Tatya totally believed that Sai is not an ordinary fakir. Their faith and love towards Sai is limitless. Sai, can you please come and stay with us? Why are you staying here? We are all there for you. When you entered Shirdi, we felt that you would be staying with us. It is difficult for me to find you in this forest daily. If you want to help me, please come with me. Tatya also wanted to come here to meet you. I told him that I will bring you to our home. Sai silently listened her anxious words and laughed. Baijabai frowned angrily and said, Sai, I am being serious. Sai smiled and said, I will surely help you and help Tatya too. The time will come. You always say things playfully, Sai. It is difficult to understand your words, she said. Okay, Sai, as you wish. I am going now and will return tomorrow. Baijabai left the place. Sai watched her until she disappeared into the woods. Mother, you are taking care of me as if I am your own son. This will not go waste. The love and affection shown by any person will never be wasted. Your love is unconditional. God always loves unconditional love. Allah will do good to you. He slowly closed his eyes and went into deep meditation. Innocent Baijabai is feeling that Sai cannot survive without food. That is why she is taking pains to travel into the woods daily and offer food to Sai. Though she knows that Sai is not an ordinary saint, she is unaware that Sai controls the Panchabhutas sky, air, water, fire, and earth. Sai respects the love shown by his devotees and accepts their offerings. By doing this, he is helping his devotees in reducing the efforts of their bad karmas. Here, Baijabai is one such devotee Sai has selected to serve him. She is like a Sabari to Lord Rama and a Yasoda to Lord Krishna, one who can request him with devotion and order him with love. An example of true spirituality. Salute to the mother. He who responds like a son to every mother. He who feels the hunger of every creature. He who accepts the offering of every devotee. Surrender to him. Om Sai Ram. Every Thursday, I will post one chapter from my book, Sai in My Thoughts. Please watch. Thank you.